Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. We normally do a full video drop on Sundays, and I'm going to be completely honest with you about why it's not. Basically, life in Albania got very real very fast. So a friend of mine from back in Canada decided to move to Albania within 24 hours. Now, she's been saying she's been wanting to come for about a year now, but life just kept getting in the way. And every month, the longer she stayed, the more finances are getting eaten into, right? Then the day her son's passport arrived, that was it. Booked a ticket, and within 24 hours, she was here. Done. No second guessing, just pack your bags, get on a flight. So just basically, passports here, flights booked, and off she is. So her and her son landed here in Tirana, Albania, 30 minutes after our flight. Because remember, we were on our own trip. We weren't even in the country. 30 minutes later, her flight landed. So we stayed at the airport and we just all came back to our place together. So between the trip, my very full house, and showing somebody new around, things got a little hectic and a little busy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take today's video, which is a really good one. I'm sure a lot of you are going to want to share it, and push that to Thursday. Okay. So Thursday, we're going to have the video drop. Friday, I'm going to do a live stream. And on the live stream, we're going to do membership giveaways for April. And then after that, let her get settled. And I'm sure you're gonna wanna have a sit down video with her and we can pick her brain on how does one do that? Because I thought it was quite crazy, and I mean, kudos to her for it. So stay tuned for that video. So the next video to come out will be on Thursday. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye.